Have you ever wondered what it feels like to grow not just one, but two little lives inside you? Twin pregnancies are twice the magic, twice the milestones, and yes, sometimes twice the challenges. But what actually happens inside the womb, week by week, when you're carrying twins? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see how two tiny embryos transform into two fully formed babies, step by step. And trust me, you won't want to miss a single stage. Welcome back to Healthverse Lab, where we simplify health and science with fascinating real-life insights. If you're new here, make sure to hit subscribe, because today's journey through a twin pregnancy is one of the most incredible stories biology has to tell. Weeks 1 to 4. It all begins when two eggs are fertilized, or when one egg splits into two. That's how identical or fraternal twins come to life. By the 4th week, both embryos implant in the womb, and your body starts producing double the hormones. That's why symptoms like fatigue and morning sickness can feel extra intense. Weeks 5 to 8, each baby starts developing a tiny beating heart. By week 6, both flickers can often be seen on an ultrasound, a magical moment for expecting parents. At this stage, their brains, spinal cords, and major organs are beginning to form, side by side. Weeks 9 to 12. Now the twins are about the size of grapes. Their arms, legs, fingers, and toes are forming. And they can even make small movements, though you won't feel them just yet. Weeks 13 to 16. The babies grow rapidly, developing unique fingerprints. If they're fraternal twins, each baby already has distinct DNA and features. By week 16, their little faces are starting to look more human. And yes, sometimes you can even tell their gender on ultrasound. Week 17 to 20. This is when moms usually feel the first kicks. With twins, it can feel like a dance party in the womb. Both babies start practicing swallowing and sucking, skills they'll need after birth. Weeks 21 to 27. The twins' senses sharpen. They can hear your heartbeat, your voice, and even each other. Their lungs are still developing, but their chance of survival outside the womb improves with each week. Weeks 28 to 32. The babies are gaining weight quickly, and space is getting tight. You might notice more kicks and stretches, sometimes in opposite directions. Weeks 33 to 36. Most twin pregnancies deliver earlier than single pregnancies. By this stage, both babies are nearly ready for the outside world. Their organs are matured. And they continue building fat layers. Weeks 37 to 40. For twins, reaching 37 weeks is often considered full term. If not born naturally, many doctors recommend delivery around this time to ensure the best health for both mom and babies. From two tiny cells to two tiny humans, a twin pregnancy is truly nature's masterpiece. Every week brings a new miracle, and every milestone reminds us of the extraordinary journey of life. Whether you're an expecting parent or just fascinated by the science of pregnancy, twins show us how remarkable the human body can be. If you enjoyed this week-by-week journey, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more science and health insights, and share this video with someone who'd be amazed by the magic of twin pregnancies. And let me know in the comments, which stage surprised you the most?